All right, welcome to the second video in the series of videos talking about how to build a professional WordPress website. In the last video, we talked about a few things to think about when creating your domain name. Now we're going to move on to creating your site structure. And I want to bring you to my computer screen to kind of show this as a visual so that you can kind of grasp it better. So let's take a look.
Alright, so now that we're talking about site structure, I want to give you a little example and kind of walk you through what should go down when you're planning your site structure. And this should all be done around keyword research. And so you want to have the main keyword for your website, and then you want to have a little bit more specific keywords and then even further specific keywords. And that's kind of the basic site structure that you will have on your website. So here we have the keyword baseball bats. Now the home page is going to be built around the keyword baseball bats. And the way that this works is you're going to have the more specific keywords linked on the home page. So, you'll have your home page that says baseball bats for sale, and then you've got two categories, or well, three categories. You've got Little League bats, Junior League bats, and softball bats. And those are kind of more long tail than the term baseball bats. And on those more specific pages, you're going to go even more specific. So the way that you want to think about it is it should take no more than 2 clicks to get to your product. So the products are actually those long tail keywords on the right, the Rawlings Composite, Little League Bat, Easton Slugger, and so on. So the way that the site structure works is you get a lot of links to your homepage, and that actually spreads it out throughout your site. Now, some of these are going to have more link power, or as some people say, link juice than others. And if this is the case, then you want to switch your site structure up to accommodate that and to really strengthen that. So this is your basic site structure, and this is kind of how you want to start it. This isn't always how it's going to end up. So say that your Easton Slugger Little League bat ends up being your best seller, well, then you may want to move that to your homepage and say, hey, this is our best seller, or even, if you chose the best sellers from each category. That way, those, best sellers will get more link authority, more link juice from your homepage, and it will really strengthen those links whenever people search them in the search engines, and it will help them rank higher. So this is kind of the basic site structure, like I said. To recap, you want to have your main keyword that you're going to be talking about on your homepage, and you want to build your homepage around that with links to the more specific, uh, you know, not fully specific long tail keywords, but kind of the in between. You want to link those on your home page, and then on those pages, you want to link to your long tail, very specific keywords. And that's how you're going to start. And then, as time goes by, say you have a bestseller, or you have, if you're not an e-commerce store, you have a blog post that is doing really well, then you want to link straight from your homepage to that blog post, because it will add more link authority or link juice to that article, and it will help it rank higher and higher. So I hope this helps you to understand kind of the basic site structure and where to go once you've got it in place and you start seeing results as far as improving. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.